Well, I guess I can show you guys the first book before I go down. And like I said, my air compressor's still not on, so they're not gonna shoot my nails in all the way. So you want to take your set of books that you have, take that full one first. And this is what I meant. Your seam is right here, but your shingle tabs will end over here instead of there. And you don't want those gaps to be in the same place. That's why we cut that one shorter. So you want to take your shingle, pretty much get it to the end and put it on your line. Your line is, if you can see your blue line, put it on your blue line there. Put it on your blue line there. And put it back on your blue line. Yeah, sorry if the camera's all over the place. I'm trying to do this and hold the camera at the same time. So now you got it where you want it. All you want to do is go ahead, remember, like I said, put a nail here in the keyway, another keyway, another keyway, another keyway, in here at the end. Yeah, sorry about this nail gun. My air compressor off. I keep saying it. I just want you guys to know so you're not in the comments saying, why your nail gun not shooting the nails all the way in? Whatever. Yeah. 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 Your next book, or your next part of the book, it's gonna be right here. You take that one, put that one right there, and line it up with your line. You got it on the line. Got it on the line. Got it on the line, and flush at the ends. Now that you got it on both lines, you got your part that you want to reveal exactly the way you want it. Go ahead and shoot it. Like I said, one at the end, two at the tabs, all right, you guys get the point. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish the rest of my book, stacking them, placing them on the line. I'm gonna set you guys up and turn this air compressor back on so I can get to work before this rain come, y'all. I appreciate you guys for watching and tuning in. Hoping I'm not being boring and long and long-winded. Y'all, I appreciate y'all love and support. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment, and we're gonna get back into it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I got my air compressor turned back on, so we should be in business now. Y'all, I got one of my nails jamming this gun.